song right now.
Nifa.
Okay, Aliha, you can.
Please second. Please
Last
second.
night all I think about you. Don't stop, baby.
Can I sing?
Don't want to miss you. You know that I'm not gonna lose.
Ma'am, can I sing now?
Yeah, yes, Zenobia.
Roshima, wiggle
I just woke up from eat buddy.
Menina
Goodbye. Kariyogo sai.
was
Buddy promised tomorrow. So I'm lazy last night.
everyone is singing now.
And when a teacher asked me to sing, I will don't sing. I will don't.
You has been faking me out and make you happy. Really, I put
Told you that's and I just
Okay, okay, okay. Come back to the session. Yes. Okay, yes.
will lay down the future in the
Everyone
life
listen
and day.
here. All of you, please listen. Please. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can stop. Please. Mute your mic, everyone. Okay. Yes, we
I am,
waited for others, so that's why we
ma'am, I am
yes.
doing something like,
Okay,
ma'am,
I
I
think
am
all
going
know
to
the
do.
session. What is this? Which is the session is now happening here? It's a which period is this? Art and craft. Okay, art and craft class. Okay, yes. So for the primary students, we will have two type of activity, the clubs. One is English little young writers. Is it, am I right? Young Writers Club. And related the art and craft, we will have the art and craft Little Makers Club. So Little Makers Club. So you all are in this Little Makers Club. So I heartily welcome to all students to this wonderful session. So we will provide you weekly this kind of session. Okay. I think, yeah. Yeah. Yes, Tanas?
Ma'am, if it is not fun,
Yeah.
ma'am,
It is
I'm
mandatory
never
to
going to
attend
join.
this
It is
craft
not
and
fun.
craft session for all the primary students. Okay, don't skip from the session. We will create together. Okay, we will explain more together.
Mom, can
Okay,
we make anything in this?
wait a minute, wait a minute. I'll explain you what you.
Ma'am, am I late?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
can I use blade for the crafting?
Today we are not doing any activity. Just will introduce you the session. What is we are planning and everything. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So welcome to the Little Makers Club. So this is a art and craft related club. So I heartily welcome to this session. All of you, please. Yeah, we are trying to provide you some session related the glass painting. So do you have any interest to do this? Do you know how to do this glass painting?
Yes, but I don't
Yes.
have. I don't know, ma'am.
Okay.
But I
You
don't
don't
have
know.
blade.
Yeah,
That
we,
is a great
yeah,
topic.
I'll teach
I
you.
don't have any
Yeah,
glass
we'll
at
teach
my
you how to
house.
do this and everything we'll teach you on in coming days.
Oh,
So yes, this we are
I
planning.
don't have paint.
All of
I
you,
don't
please
have
mute your
paint.
mic. Mute your mic, please.
But I don't have paint.
Ma'am,
So before
can you shut
start,
the chat
wait,
box?
wait a minute. Before starting the class painting session, we want to know who the really interested to do this class painting. So I'll take you one poll. I'll give you one poll. So you have to poll for this.
Ma'am, do we need paint? What are we doing, ma'am?
Today,
Ma'am, but I don't know
we
paint.
just no, we are not doing
Yeah,
painting
today
today.
also
We are
we should
nothing.
make
We are
some
doing just explaining, introducing the session, what we are planning, the
Do
plannings and
we
the
paint
steps and
this?
everything. Okay. Actually, we are planning to giving you this kind of glass painting session. So before that, I'll give you one poll. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, do we need paint?
No, dear. Today we don't know this kind of painting.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Something.
Ma'am,
I thought we
what are
were
we
going to
doing?
make like a bookmarks
Yes.
and all.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah. I want to make bookmarks. I just want to do.
I explained you this. Yeah, actually, we are planning to give this kind of glass painting session. So, how many of them now you have really interest to do this kind of glass painting? Just hand raise.
I have
Glass
interest, but I
painting.
don't have
Just glass
materials.
painting.
Ma'am, I have interest,
One,
but I
Alia.
don't have
We
the
want to take the
icon.
count. Yeah, just I'm taking count. Alia, just. Asbahman, could you please write it down their names?
Ma'am,
I have interest, but no materials.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll give you the
write.
list of materials and then
Okay, so they are
I'm just
interested in
asking
glass
your
painting,
interest,
right?
okay? If you have interested, you can say I'm interested with this glass painting. I'm not forcing to join the session. So if you
international
have
dance
interested
Down
day.
your
take this
names.
doing this kind of class painting, you can give them your name.
Like,
You
Ma'am,
give your name for the
I
session.
don't have glass to paint.
I know that you don't have this kind of materials. Everyone, I know that, but I'm just asking your name.
Today is
Do you have interest to do this glass painting or not?
please
All of
don't
you,
speak.
please.
Oh, Barira, you joined?
I don't think
Mute
I
your
can
mic,
do.
mute your mic, everyone. Everyone, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, I need to
Most
draw
of them are interested.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah,
ma'am, can I say
we are planning that one is glass painting. The next is normal craft, the paper craft. You can
Ma'am,
I'm not
I want to
interested.
do
only
paper.
choose one. Only choose
Ma'am,
one.
craft.
Only choose one.
Ma'am,
Paper craft or glass painting. Which one
in
do
paper
you need?
craft, what do we do?
Glass.
Yeah, wait a minute. All of you please mute. Wait a minute. We'll ask you individually. We'll ask you individually. So this Aswahama just now wrote it down the names. Aliella, Ilyas.
Ma'am, I want
What you
to
really
make that
interested?
in the
Glass
Okay,
painting
who is
or
now?
paper craft? Alia
Ma'am,
Glass painting and okay, please.
or paper craft?
glass painting.
Glass painting. Okay, Alia.
Okay, some of okay 8
Ma'am,
or
how
9
to do glass
students raised
painting?
their hands
Wait
and I
there,
wrote their
Dutta.
names. Who was interested in
Ma'am,
glass
I want
painting?
paper.
I wrote their
Yeah,
names.
we'll
Now
ask you
all of
individually,
you,
please.
there is a lot of students. I don't think that work.
Ma'am, but
Okay.
what are we gonna
What
make
about
in
Rafa? Yeah,
paper
I
craft?
think we can ask. It's better to ask individually, ma'am. Yeah, Rafa. What about your
Like
Ma'am, I
so
others?
in
Please
paper
mute.
craft,
We'll ask you. We'll give you the turn, please.
in
Rafa.
paper craft, what kind of
I mean that
what
Yeah,
kind of
we will
crafts we will do?
make some flowers, bouquet, some this kind of class.
Uh, I'm interested in both.
Ma'am,
Which one, Rafa?
I'm more interested in glass painting, but I don't have glass.
Okay. Everything I'll explain you later. Just first you have to give your name.
ma'am,
Okay.
I
So
like
Rafa,
glass
is
painting,
interested
ma'am.
in glass painting. Okay. What
Ma'am,
about
I
Ilham?
like paper. Paper.
Okay, next is Ilham. Ilham.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I like glass building.
Okay, Ilham also interested in glass painting. John. John, which one you select?
Ma'am, what?
What? Glass
What,
painting or
ma'am?
the paper craft? You more interested?
I said I don't have glass.
I'm not asking about the materials. Do you have any interest to do this glass painting or craft work? Which one you like more?
Craft work. Craft work. Craft work. Craft
Paper, paper craft? Others? Others, please mute. Others, please mute. Please, it's his turn. John, please. Come on, say dear.
I think glass painting.
Okay, he's also interested in glass painting. And Bayan?
I think I love crafting.
Bayan? Yeah, paper craft. Okay. Devdutten?
Ma'am, mine is crafting.
Yeah, paper
Mine is
craft. Please, others, please mute. I'm asking the Devdutten. He is answering now. Please, others. Ma'am, Devdutten is paper craft. Tanas?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which one is you like more? Glass painting or paper craft?
I think like pepper.
Paper craft. She selected also paper craft. Barira?
Yeah. My
Yeah, which
favorite is paper craft.
which one is most interested? Paper craft.
I'm paper craft.
Yeah, she selected paper craft. Asbaha ma'am.
Can I
Barira,
make my
paper.
own paper craft?
No,
Can I
not
make
now.
my
Not,
own paper
not,
craft?
not now, dear. Okay, Zenobia, which is your
I love
glass painting? Okay, glass painting. Zenobia has a glass painting. And Aliha? Aliha?
Ma'am, is it okay if we don't have the materials but we love that
Okay, no
item?
problem. Is that okay?
Glass painting.
Glass painting. Okay. Shrida?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, she's also interested in glass painting. Shrida, ma'am. She is glass painting.
Ma'am, can I say now?
Who is that?
Lazel.
Okay, Laisel, yeah.
There is more people on crafting.
Yeah, crafting with paper. Laisel.
Crafting with people. Thank you,
Zia,
Lazel.
Zia Muhammad.
Paper crafting.
Paper crafting. Zia, paper crafting. And anyone? Yes.
Me. You did ask me. This is
Adil,
going to
Adil.
be
Yeah, Adil.
glass painting.
Yeah, Adil, glass painting. Okay.
And ma'am, you didn't also ask me.
Yeah. Other can say. Nevin.
Yes.
Nevin Libin.
Ma'am,
Paper
can
craft.
I
Nevin.
choose glass painting?
Who is that? Nevin, paper craft. Okay. And Nifin. What you like more?
Paper craft.
Nifin, paper craft. And Shaspa.
Ma'am, can I choose?
Shaspa.
Yeah, ma'am.
You tell me.
Let's go, everybody. Let's do crafting. Paper craft.
Yeah, paper craft. Hawa. Azza.
Now, can we do art?
Azza?
Yeah, art is a good idea. Ma'am, then I want to do art. Ma'am, then I want to do art.
Yeah, I will give you the opportunity. First, you have to give.
I don't want it.
Azza,
Ma'am, I'm gonna craft.
glass painting,
Oh,
Azza?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Zenobia, what you said?
Glass painting.
Glass painting.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for chefs, I
Azza.
want art, okay?
As a glass painting or craft, I didn't get it. Please don't talk
Yeah.
everyone together. I cannot hear properly. Please.
Together.
Azza, what did you choose?
Ma'am, I want to color it already.
Others, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, I choose a glass paint.
Yeah, she's just glass painting, ma'am.
Okay.
I think I asked everyone. Anyone else? Anyone
Ma'am?
remaining is there?
Ilham is there. Nifin
Yeah, Ilham,
is
Ilham.
there.
Can I choose crafting?
Crafting with paper, Amna?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, other can say.
Ma'am, can I choose crafting?
You have to fix one.
Ilham.
Crafting.
Okay.
Okay.
I think Alia.
Ma'am, can I choose art? Is it possible to choose art? Yes, ma'am.
What is selected here? Alia?
Glass painting.
Glass painting. I think ma'am is over. All are.
Ma'am, can I choose art?
Sheswa, what are you asking, dear Sheswa? It's art and craft period. We are planning to provide you two kind of art session. One is glass painting, one is paper craft. Okay. So glass
Ma'am,
painting
can
is
I
little bit
change
step.
my-
We will give you
glass
the
painting.
materials and everything.
Rafa, Nifin, Laisa,
So excited.
Devadatta, what did she say?
Ma'am, can I choose
Rafa,
art?
Nifin.
I mean craft. I want glass painting.
Glass.
Who is that?
Easy. You can do easily the glass painting. Don't worry about the glass painting. You can do one by one. Don't worry about the session, the glass painting session. We'll teach you everything. Okay.
I want
So some of them are choose
Okay,
glass
Rafa.
painting. No.
Rafa, Laisal, Nifin are left.
Me glass painting. I choose crafting.
Okay, Rafa, glass
Rafa,
painting.
glass painting. Okay.
Okay.
But I don't have my I choose crafting too.
Yes, Shida.
Crafting. I choose crafting. I choose crafting.
Yes, Shida.
Can I choose paper craft?
Paper craft.
No.
Okay, Shida.
Ma'am, I am in
Still they are
paper
confused.
craft. Where is laser? Where is laser?
The old
Laisal,
student,
what
they
about you?
had
What did you choose?
more
Laisal.
session in the craft class.
Paper craft.
Laser
Okay.
paper craft.
Here is laser.
Inshallah, the next day we will give you the separate session. One is glass painting and one is what? The paper craft session. Okay, for the material, I'll give you the materials for the glass paintings. Look here.
have lots of material.
We need others. Everyone, please mute your mic. All of you, please mute your mic. So for the glass painting students, we need glass painting colors. It's water based. It will glass painting colors. It's available in the market, so you can easily purchase from there. Glass painting colors, especially water based one. Okay, we'll give you the list individually. We will give you the list individually to your parents. So please write it down. Glass painting colors for this glass painting students. Kindly note that we need this session for the glass painting session. Glass painting colors. It's especially water based and brush. Okay, the thin kind of brush. And look at this OP sheets. Like I'll show you the.
How much?
Yep. First we are going for this kind of sheet. This is the OP sheets. Okay, OHP sheets. You need this kind of sheets. Okay, OHP sheets. We are not directly going to this glass. First, we will practice with this kind of OHP sheet. Okay, and is glass. It's not mandatory. If you have this kind of glasses, you can use. Not for the starting session. After 1 or 2 weeks, 1 month, we will use this kind of glasses. It's not mandatory to take this kind of glass. You can use this kind of OSP sheet instead of this glass. Okay, OSP sheet. Is it visible?
Ma'am,
And
can you tell
yeah, that's
one more? First,
yes,
we
yes,
need glass.
yeah. For the glass painting session, we need glass painting colors. Okay, just it's available in
Glass
all market.
painting.
Glass painting colors, water based.
I don't have those, ma'am. I only have this.
Those who are interested to
Color.
participate in this glass painting session, they need
We
to
need an outliner.
buy this kind of materials.
Ma'am,
Next
ma'am,
week,
Ma'am.
next
Ma'am.
Tuesday,
Ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am.
we will have.
Ma'am, what is
Yeah.
the other name for
Yes,
glass
we
liner?
say don't. Yeah, come on, say dear.
No.
Yes, Barira, tell me.
Another word for ma'am, can we make whatever we want with the glass?
Everyone,
And
please mute your mic.
paintbrush, then ma'am, this glass, whatever we want. We can make.
This is only for the glass painting student. Glass painting colors, water base, brush, OHP sheet. OHP sheet. This kind of sheet we need. And glass. It's not mandatory. And just added this picture. And this outliner, glass liner. Say outliner.
Outliner, glass
Yeah.
liner.
Yeah. Or glass liner.
Can I
No need both. It's the
can I
same
make
one.
whatever craft I like?
Please mute your mic. Outliner or glass liner. Okay.
Ma'am.
Names. Glass liner, outliner. You get it's also available
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
market.
I
Okay.
wrote it. Ma'am,
That-
paint for glass painting, right?
Yes,
The
Rafa.
paint for glass painting.
Uh,
How many bottles of paint do we need?
Yes, we'll get one set of painting. One or eight
So there will
colors.
be two
That's enough.
sections like
1 to 8
glass
colors. That's
painting.
enough. Okay. So what's the name? Glass painting colors, water base, outliner, glass liner, and brush, OHP sheet. What is OHP sheet?
Can we make whatever we want?
Okay, that's all about the material for this glass painting session. So
Ma'am,
the
I am
next
doing a
week we
craft
will
right
be a
now.
session. So
I'm
for
going
the
to make a
next
bag.
day,
Craft
you
right
should try
now.
for this all this
I'm
material.
going
Okay.
to make a bag.
We still have time now, so can we make it?
I'm going to make a bag so I can add all my stickers inside. Ma'am, is this brush enough like this?
Where is? I think yeah, that's enough, Zenobia.
I have lots of stuff in my hand.
Okay, do you know this person? I think yeah, he's
Einstein.
very famous.
Yes,
Yeah,
Einstein.
Yeah,
This picture
Einstein
I
said
know.
that creativity
Is
is
it
what others
Einstein?
is thinking.
Is it
What
Albert
no one
Einstein?
has ever thought.
Is this one? Is it
He
this
said
one? We have a small Albert Einstein here.
Who is he?
Is this enough? Nitin.
Nifin?
Yeah,
Really?
he's very smart.
He knows about White House and that's what I am making.
Oh, that's why you said.
He knows more
You know
than
this
Vardhaman.
No.
No?
No.
No.
It's a famous artist. It's a Spanish artist. Ah, it's a Picasso. Yeah, it's a Picasso. Famous artist in the world. Spanish artist Pablo Picasso. What he said? He said that art is the elimination of the unnecessary. If
Look,
you are
see, ma'am. Is this good? Is this
all, please mute.
Ma'am, so
Yes,
what we gonna do
today we are not
So,
planning to giving you another other activities, so we don't have a session today. Just introducing. I plan to introduce this kind of materials, and that's I plan
You
today.
said the
Okay.
we'll have a lot
So
time
for
then.
tomorrow,
we need to buy these
yeah,
and come.
those who interested in this craft with color paper, so you should buy different colors, different type of color paper. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
I
gum,
have color paper.
I
gu-
have lots
okay,
of
gum,
type.
gum and scissors is like that. Okay. Color
I
papers,
have
gum and scissor. That's enough for the
Ma'am, like this.
paper craft class.
Gum.
Yeah, that's enough.
gum.
And I have color
Yeah, I
paper.
said that. Yeah, Pablo Picasso is the really famous artist in the Spanish. In the word also, he said that art is the elimination of the unnecessary things. Are you agree with the statement?
Yeah.
Yes. If you are engaged in other things, you will get more ideas
So
and
that
more.
means we will lost. We will lose.
Yeah, here I'll give you some pictures for the of this Picasso's. He drew the pictures. Yeah, these are the famous pictures of the Picasso. Pablo
What is
Picasso
this?
draw these
I never
pictures.
saw this kind of pictures.
You never seen this kind of, yeah. Especially he's focused on this kind of pictures.
Ma'am, I see the right one. I see the right painting. I like that. I like that second one. It's so
Second
nice.
one?
I love that first one.
Oh.
Second one too.
Okay, okay, okay.
The second one looks like a dog. King dog.
Yeah, dog. Old man dog.
Okay.
You can't draw like this, man. It's so hard to draw like this.
Yeah. It's a Picasso's drawing. So materials are clear. For the glass painting, you need art liner, glass liner, glass painting colors, water base. It's also available in this online
Are we gonna
okay,
do
Amazon or
hard
Flipkart.
glasses?
Ma'am,
So next
we
Tuesday,
need to buy
there will be a
these,
session for this craft
For
class. So
the
those
next
who interested
week
in
class.
this glass painting session, kindly arrange these all necessary things. Okay, like glass painting colors, water base, brush, or especially this OHP sheet. Okay, you only this kind of glass, OHP sheet and water based glass painting and outliner. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
I think you got a
Ma'am,
clear idea
we
about that
need to
session.
buy this before the next week club.
Yeah, you need to buy this all things before this next class. Okay.
Ma'am, we want color paper and
But I'm going to
Yeah,
India.
for
How
the,
Ma'am,
yeah,
but in
I'll
arts
show
and
you. I'll show
crafts,
you.
we
Wait a
have
minute.
to
I'll show you the
have color
materials.
paper, glue,
Yeah, I'll show you
scissors,
the
right?
materials. Wait a minute. I'll show you the materials for this craft paper craft student.
But
Wait a
I'm
minute.
what you draw that.
And what we have to do?
my bottle.
Yeah, wait.
Do you realize something different about me?
Look here.
Do you realize something
These
different
are the
about
materials.
me?
These are the materials for this what yeah, paper craft student. Okay. Scissors, gum, color paper, and the sketch pencils also.
I have
Art class.
sketch pen and scissor and scale. Pepper.
No need today. Kind of
everything I
material.
need,
I
ma'am.
got that color.
These are the materials for this which we selected. The
Ma'am, I have
paper
everything
craft
I need.
student.
Color paper,
Glue,
glue, scale.
color, scissors, and sketch pencil. That's enough.
Ma'am, is the glass painting going to be hard because it looks hard? Scissors, sketch pens, and ruler.
It's a very good chance to learn the glass painting. So many times we had a session of this craft with the paper. We had a session with the many craft classes. So this is a new one, glass painting. It's a very good. It's a good chance to learn that glass painting. So I'm saying it. Okay.
Why I didn't say glass painting? Because I'm not.
Ma'am, I chose
Yeah.
crafting, right?
You yeah, you said crafting.
Yeah, I chose crafting.
I chose also crafting. I also chose crafting.
Ma'am, you also chose
Me too. I also chose craft. Glass painting. I am crafting. Can I show you my glass painting?
craft all the time.
Who? Alia?
Ma'am, can I show my glass painting?
Yes. Yeah, that's super. Bottle art, isn't it, Alia?
The bottle.
Yeah, super. Really nice one. Good, good, good. Good. Nice one. Okay. So
Ma'am,
we'll
look at
explain.
my special
Yeah, we'll explore
artificial
more
art.
together, Alia. Okay.
Ma'am, look at my special artificial art.
Everybody, Simon says be quiet. What is that special art?
No,
Simon says be quiet, everybody. Simon says be quiet.
So now it's clear. I think.
yes.
Yes.
Now everybody have.
Not clear.
So we will have two
Ma'am,
kind
like
of
this
session.
type of
Two type
color
of session.
papers.
One with the craft with paper session for papers, and one is glass painting. Okay.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't leave.
Lazel said bye.
Well, bye.
What?
Let's wind up.
Lazel left it.
So when is our next art class period?
Next week.
Next
Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Next
So before the
Tuesday.
next Tuesday, you should arrange all these materials, all these things.
I already have it, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I also.
Those who do not have this kind of materials, kindly buy this.
Look, ma'am, color papers. Lots of.
Okay, that's great.
Can we choose both?
Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am, will we have pixel arting?
If you have any pictures or any your articles, any works, you can show here.
Ma'am, can I show you some pictures?
Like Alia showed many things about
Can I also
bottle
show
art
you?
and drawing her drawings also. Yes, Nitpin. Do you have this kind
I have drawings, but they're very bad.
No, no problem, Amna. You can show.
Can I show you?
Look at how art activities, yes, artwork, craft works, yes, super one. Super work, Ali Elias. Really nice. Nice work.
This is pistachio.
What about Azza? Ah, yeah, she used this. Yes,
Drawing now.
Sorry, dear. Tell me what.
Ma'am, I have a drawing.
Why are there
And
two
today,
same profiles?
what about you, Azza?
Why is there
What's
two
about
Abhinav?
your Shrida? What's about your
Ma'am,
hobbies?
can I leave?
Wait a minute.
Simon says clap your hands. Bye, ma'am. Simon says wait. Simon says wait. Simon says wait.
All selected your craft class. Someone is in the pink
Ma'am,
class.
can we play Simon, please? Can we play Simon?
Yeah, I'll going to do that actually.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
of course, Anas.
5 minutes more, please. Can't I just have 5
See you,
minutes
ma'am.
more?
Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Can't I just finish this game?
Bye,
Bye,
See you next class. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Do not kick anybody out. Just let us play Simon, please. Who wants to play Simon? Raise your head. Raise your